Run, Prussia!
Italy is about to kill me.
Italy, what did you do to Prussia?
Man, Russia can't get her up.
Russia can't get her up?
I'm on inside.
Italy, what did you do to Prussia?
Prussia's cell phone.
Prussia's cell phone. And here comes Lithuania.
What? Yeah,
Here's Jane. Or not.
You're very kickable butt. There was a van, it went that way.
It went towards the dead end.
What? Squirrel!
The van just went over the dead end.
Someone pushed me.
What the hell, Italy?
This is a smart idea, though. It's a Jeep. Oh, that's mine.
Do I need to move? Do I need to move my car?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.